Today we have a 2014 HAAS ST-10 with HAAS servo bar 300 bar feed. Machine has a tool setter, parts catcher, tailstock, belt type chip conveyor. It's got a royal collet closer mounted, but it also has a 6-inch chuck with it. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000. That's 3,000. And that's 4,000 RPM. All right. I'm going to index the turret now. Move up the axes. Z. Now X. Tailstock quill. Parts catcher. Okay, this machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.